how to play Minecraft data packs on Aternos. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to of course open our browser and then go to aternos.org. Open our browser and then go to aternos.org. Once you are now here, make sure that you are logged in into your account. And then in this part, just choose the server that you want to use. So we're going to use the server that you want to use. So we're going to use this server right here. And then once you're now here, the next thing that we need to do right here is to stop our server for a bit. So once it is stopped, what we're going to do next is to go here on the left screen and then click the worlds, which is right here. Once you're now here, what we are going to do build file, which is to look for the world, which is right here. So what we're going to do next is right here. So what we're going to do next is to click on the files icon, which is right here. After that, once you are now here, you will see this data packs. So what we're going to do is to just double click on that. And then in this part, you will see this upload button. So if you click the upload button right there, you can either upload a folder or a file. So what we are going to do right here is to just, let's say for example, we're going to upload a file. Just click on that and then just look for the file right here that you want to upload. Once you upload it, what we're going to do next is once we upload the file, is to go back here on the server and then click again the start button. So your server can start again. Once you click the start button, once you click the start button, all you have to do is to play that, and then that should be it. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to play Minecraft data packs on Aternos.